Now, Coinbase had a terrible earnings report. I mean, there's no other way to put it. It was absolutely terrible. Coinbase reporting a revenue miss. Coinbase reporting an earnings miss. Coinbase reporting falling active users. Coinbase reporting no good news in their earnings report. And we need to discuss it, guys, because a lot of people think that Coinbase is invincible, that Coinbase is only going to stick around and you know, too big to fail. You guys have heard those words before, right? The last time we heard those words was when the economy was going into a deep recession. Maybe not a depression. Hey, by today's definitions, who knows? It was probably a depression by today's definitions. Might not have even been a recession. So anyway, regardless of definitions, I want to talk about Coinbase in this video because it could have a major implication on the future of cryptocurrency. And a lot of people are just kind of like, well, let them do what they want to do. We need to discuss it. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting 6 free stocks. $1 crypto trade, you're going to get $5 in free crypto. And make sure to get in while we're on this dip so that you can absolutely take advantage of the rip. But guys, we need to talk about Coinbase because, oh my gosh, there's no good news. There's no good news about Coinbase, and a lot of people are just overlooking it like it's okay. Coinbase reported earnings yesterday, and they had a revenue of about $808 million. Now, that missed revenue expectations of $860-some million. Now, that is quarterly revenue, yes, but nonetheless, it indicates a drastic decrease in Coinbase's revenue, and in a revenue miss, meaning they came in lower than analyst expectations. Both bad news. If we look at net profit, which is very important, you can't run a company if you never make any profit. Eventually, you will eat up all of your savings. Eventually, you will eat up all of the equity that is in the company, and it can't survive if you don't make money. Coinbase is not currently making money. How much money are they losing? Coinbase reported a net loss of $1.1 billion. That means they had revenue of $800 million, right? $1.1 billion. How much money did they spend? They spent nearly $2 billion in the second quarter, and the result is a $1.1 billion loss. If you take that out on a per share basis, the EPS, or earnings per share for Coinbase, was a loss of $4.98. That is a drastic miss of expectations that were calling for roughly a $2.50 per share loss. Nearly double the expected loss. Guys, Coinbase is in trouble. Now, the good news is, if you consider this good news, they've already signed a deal with the devil. BlackRock has come in and allowed institutional buyers to use the Coinbase platform. BlackRock is in charge of over $10 trillion, and a lot of people are looking at this as opening the floodgates to the cryptocurrency market. BlackRock is allowing $10 trillion to flow into crypto. That's not true. BlackRock's not going to sell off all of their real estate, all of their land, all of their current assets, and switch them over to cryptocurrency. We're not going to see $10 trillion flow into the cryptocurrency market. What we've got right now is a vulture circling. BlackRock is ready for Coinbase to go, and BlackRock is ready to swallow Coinbase whole. Now, the good news is, if BlackRock does so, I mean, we could still have a platform. But the bad news is, who do you think is going to be eating those assets up? You think you're going to get your Coinbase? You think you're going to get your money back that you have on Coinbase if they go under? BlackRock gets it. BlackRock gets it, guys. If you look at the examples that are currently being set by Voyager and Celsius and Vald and all of these other cryptocurrency exchanges that are filing bankruptcy and causing people to halt withdrawals, Voyager doesn't even consider the money that you've deposited theirs. They don't even consider yours. Sorry, they don't even consider it a loan to them. They are telling the bankruptcy judge that that money that we have deposited on Voyager is theirs. If I loan you something, you don't consider it yours. You know that you've got to pay it back. You know that you've got to give it back. If I let you borrow my lawnmower, you got to give it back. It's not yours. It was a loan, right? I let you borrow it, man. You can go cut your grass. Have some fun this weekend. But Voyager is considering and telling the bankruptcy judge that that money should be theirs. If Coinbase does anything similar, because remember, we can't survive if we don't have a profit. And Coinbase currently does not have a profit. They are eating through their equity. They are eating through their savings. They are eating through their assets. And if they eat far enough, you're going to fall into a hole. And if BlackRock is there to swoop them right up, guys, now BlackRock basically owns everything at that point. But a lot of people are looking to that as being the good news or the saving grace or the thing that's going to keep cryptocurrency alive and keep Coinbase alive. Although it might be true, Coinbase may turn into some sort of an institutionalized platform. Cryptocurrency might turn into an institutionalized, I guess, market, and retail may fade off one day. But what we've got right now is a situation where we have to at least be vigilant and at least be concerned about what is going on. Coinbase is not too big to fail. We've got the SEC, we've got the US Treasury, we've got BlackRock, we've got everything forcing themselves in on the cryptocurrency market. Why? They see its potential. They want not a piece of it, they want the whole thing. Guys, if you didn't watch the video I did yesterday on Tornado Cash, the US Treasury is basically saying any sort of privatized cryptocurrency service or any sort of private transactions in the crypto space, think of privacy coins like Zcash and so on, any sort of privacy is criminal. And they are shutting down and sanctioning anybody who used Tornado Cash. Not just the actual criminals, but anyone who valued and focused on privacy is now being attacked and sanctioned because of what was going on in Tornado Cash. The government is cracking down and coming for our crypto. The institutions like BlackRock swooping in like vultures and coming for our crypto. We've got a nice bounce going on today, but I am very skeptical that we don't get out of this crypto winter unscathed. I think that we have some major changes ahead. I hope they're for the better, but I know there are major changes coming. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below. Tell me your thoughts on Coinbase. Simple. Will Coinbase survive? A yes or no. Will Coinbase survive? Down in the comments below. And actually, you know what? I don't know if I said the numbers for active users, but active users for Coinbase fell from 9.2 million to 9 million. Not a steep decline, but a decline nonetheless. 9 million monthly active users making trades on Coinbase right now. So let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments below. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day. We are growing our portfolios together. Guys, got ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. Getting 6 free stocks on Webull. Join the free Discord down below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.